of the Always Believe House. Today we're going to do systems of equations again, and we're going to work on your homework over word problems. Very difficult to go from the word problem to the equation, so this will take time. We're going to do many days on this. The saving grace is you can use the calculator here, so that's going to help. So let's get rocking and rolling, and a magical whiteboard appears, and we are going to work on number one. Remember that no matter what, we're going to do X and Y for our variables because that's what we're going to plug into the calculator. Some of these problems tell you to use different letters. We're going to use X and Y. I usually make the first one X, the second one Y, however you want to do it. Okay, so let's look at number one. Read through the problem. There are 15 plates in the kitchen cabinet. That's the total number of plates. The diameter of each plate is a 7-inch or a 12-inch. The diameter of all the 15 plates is 140. Which system of equations can you use to get the number of 7-inch plates is going to be X. The number of 12-inch plates is Y. So that's what we're going to write down. X equals 7-inch and Y equals 12-inch. Put blanks because that's where your answers are going to go. And then we're going to write our equation. This right here is the total number of plates. So the total number of plates is going to be X plus Y, and it's going to be 15. Now then the next one is going to be our inch equation. So how many inches of plates do we have? The 7-inch plates, 7x, plus the 12-inch plates have a combined 140. Now then we're going to type this into the calculator. Okay, so when we type it in the calculator, we're going to do menu, 3, 2, enter, and I'm going to do this one with you. This is the only one I'm going to do with you on this. So we're going to go to the calculator. We're going to hit menu, 3, 2, enter. So menu, where does it say algebra? Algebra is 3. The systems of equations is 2, and never ever touch the screen. Hit enter. We have our two equations. So we're going to type X plus Y equals 15. So I have my X plus Y equal 15. Hit the down button. Now then I have 7-inch plates. So 7X plus 12-inch plates is 12Y. And the total number of inches was 140. Now then make sure those equations are right. If you got the wrong equations in there, the calculator won't work. Okay, so make sure your equations are right. Those are correct. The two numbers should add up to 15. Hit enter, and bam, 8 and 7. Oh. So we have 8 and 7 will work. So let's go back to the worksheet, and we are going to put in 8 for the 7-inch plates and 7 for the 12-inch plates. That would be our answer right here. Let's go to number 2. Okay, I'm going to erase this part right here. A drummer and guitarist each wrote songs for the band. The guitarist wrote 8 fewer than twice the number of songs the drummer wrote. That's going to be a tricky equation. They wrote a total of 42 songs. Now then on this one they say the drummer is D and the guitarist, let's make this X and Y. So X will be the drummer and Y will be the guitarist. We're going to type this in and get the answer. Put blanks, that's where our answer will go. So we're going to write down the total number of songs, and the total number of songs is 46 in it. How do you get the total number? You add them up. So that's usually an easy equation. Now then, this one is the tough one. The guitarist wrote. That wrote is the verb. That's our equal. So the guitarist equals. The guitarist is Y equals fewer than. Now then, I'm going to make this up. 4 fewer than 6 is not 4 minus 6. 4 fewer than 6 is 6 minus 4. So on less than and fewer than, you got to flip it around. So the fewer than means I'm going to minus, but that 8 has to go to the end. So I know I'm going to minus 8 from something, and it's twice the songs of the drummer. That's 2x. This is what you will type into the calculator. So you'll hit menu, 3, 2, enter. Type that into the calculator, and that's going to be your answer there. And I'm going to let you do that on your own. Go to number 4. I'm going to set these up for you. This is tricky. Okay, so a sport magazine prints 12 issues per year. The technology prints 10 issues per year. The total number of pages in all the issue of the sports magazine is 32 more than the pages of the issue. So this is how we're going to do it. Okay, we know we have sports magazine and a tech magazine. So X equals sports, Y equals tech, and it tells you to use different letters. We're going to use Y for tech, and we're going to use X for sports, okay? That way we can plug it in the calculator. Put blanks. Now then, the total number of issues is 12 and 10, right? So the total number of pages in the sports magazine for 1 year is, so 12x is 32 more than is plus. 32 plus the total number for the tech magazine will be 10y. Okay, so the total number of pages in the sports will be 12x is equals 32 more than 32 plus the tech magazine, which is 10y. The 12x is for 1 year and the 10y is for 1 year. Then it says each issue of the sports magazine has is or equal. So the sports magazine is y or x. X, did I do that? Yeah, x equals 18 fewer. Fewer than means minus, but we got to flip. So 18 goes at the end. The issue of the tech magazine's y. So those are our two equations. You'll type those into the calculator. Menu 3 to enter. Type that in, and your answer will be the number of pages for each one. Number 4, we got 2 more to do. Oh, this one will be pretty easy because it's quarters and dimes. Let's let x equals quarters. We're not going to do what the problem says. Y equal dimes, because we're going to put these into the calculator and get the answer. Now then, how many coins? We have a coin equation and we have a money equation. And we're going to use 0.25 for x, and we're going to use 0.10 for y. I'm going to let you write those on your own. You should be able to get that, okay? Go to number 5. Okay, we have a spiraling notebook and a memo book. So I'm going to let this be x, this be y. So x is spiral, y is memo. Okay, contains 30 more sheets. So a new spiraling notebook contains, a new spiraling notebook equals more. So the spiraling notebook is x, equals is, or contains is equals 30 plus the paper in the memo, which is y. So the contains turn into the equal. My more means the plus, and I'm going to do 30 plus y. The total number of sheets of paper in 3 new spiral and 5 new memo is equal 18. So 3x plus 5y equals 810. Going to type that into the calculator, menu 3 to enter, and get the 2 answers, okay? Y'all listen, try to go back and see if you can get these equations. This isn't easy to do. It's very, very difficult. The calculator is a godsend now. So make sure you can use the calculator, but if you just have the equations, you need to be able to substitute and eliminate. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Remember, you are amazing. You are created to do wonderful things, and you are awesome.